everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do Korean Ulzzang makeup look. So a few days back I did douyin makeup look, and let me tell you, there is very much difference between douyin and Ulzzang makeup look. In douyin makeup look, basically it's Chinese originated and the look is very like bold types and all, but Ulzzang is like very soft and in the cool side. It has like a cool tone to it. The eyeshadows are soft, the lips are also very soft. You can see K-pop idols doing both Ulzzang and douyin, but mostly they do Ulzzang makeup look, and you can see many idols like Wonyoung, Karina from aespa, and many other idols as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that makeup look today. First I did my base, so I applied moisturizer, then I applied concealer, then foundation, and I'm setting everything with a compact powder now. Next I'm going to apply a sort of beige shade to my eyelids, and then I'm going to apply this pink shade. It's a very light baby pink type of shade all over my eyelids and also under my eyes, and then I'm going to take this peachy pinkish type of color and then I'm going to fill in my eyes with this and also my under eyes. Next I'm taking this maroonish shade and applying it on my lids to make it slightly deeper, but make sure that when you're doing Ulzzang makeup look, you should not make the eyeshadow very bold or deep. So now I'm using a shimmery pinkish shade and just applying it on my lids. Now one of the most important parts of Ulzzang makeup is the aegyosal. You can see all the K-pop idols and even K-drama actresses do the aegyosal. It makes the eye like pop out and it makes it kind of enlarged as well. So I'm going to do my aegyosal. I'm going to take this like flat brush and I'm going to take like a brown and dark brownish shade and draw my aegyosal, and then I'm going to fill in that area with like a light eyeshadow, and I'm also going to apply a shimmery shade on that same area as well to just like make my eyes pop. Now for contour, I'm using this brown lipstick, and with the help of a flat brush I'm going to draw a V under the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to blend it under as well like this. I'm going to blend it like this, and then after you have done blending that V, you're going to draw two lines on the edges of the V and then blend it out with your fingers. It gives you that like tall sharp nose contour like that. I have never done contour in my entire life, but like this is the first time I'm doing nose contour because I cannot do contour at all, but this is my first time doing it and I was quite happy with this technique. I saw this technique in one of the YouTube videos. So you just have to blend that, whatever you're using, eyeshadow, lipstick or whatever it is, you just have to blend it nicely. And then I'm applying highlighters on the bridge of my nose and on the that part. And now I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna apply mascara. I'm using Blue Heaven mascara. This mascara is so good, guys. You should definitely get it. It's also very affordable as well. Now I forgot to do my eyeliner, so I'm going to do my eyeliner with a brown pencil liner. I'm not going to use my usual black liner because usually in the Ulzzang makeup look the eyeliner is very like light and soft. For blush, I'm mainly focusing on the center of my cheeks, not the entire cheeks I'm putting, just on the center, and I'm gonna blend it slightly. For lipstick, I'm taking this dark magenta shade and putting it on the inner parts and blending it, and then I'm taking this baby pink shade and applying it in the outer parts and blending it with the magenta shade as well. It gives you that classic Korean gradient lips. Now I'm gonna put some highlighter and we'll be done with the makeup look. Do let me know in the comments down below any opinions about this video and any suggestions for my next video. So bye bye.